Today message for you. Best not to start the morning misjudging perceptions and decision making, especially when trying to make sense of something. Remember to stay enthusiastic about the positive in certain situations. Motivate yourself to keep your energy levels high. This will stop you from feeling overwhelmed by the possibilities of an uncertain next step. Maybe take a temporary break from the action, as a change of pace will help redirect you. Be careful not to disperse your energies or take on too many activities simultaneously, as you might forget important details. It's an intelligent time to consider possibilities you would not normally consider.